Good day everyone. I am Premlata daughter of Krishnan together with my friend Tharni daughter of Sivkumar and my supervisor Rosita Binti Mohammad Mokhtar. Our project title is Smart Plant Irrigation System. So now I'm going to talk about the introduction of our system. So the purpose of irrigation is to make sure that the plant receives enough water from the system to support its growth. So our project is a smart plant irrigation system, which was first created to make farming easier for farmers which who could also keep an eye on the moisture content of the water in the soil to make sure the plants were getting enough water to grow. As a result, smart irrigation can maximize irrigation performance through lowering water waste even as keeping plant fitness and quality. In our project, a moisture sensor will be used to maintain the optimum level of moisture from the plants. And this system can be implemented for both your garden and for indoor plants, like taking care of the leafy beds when we are away. So this is the problem statement of our system. We have stated three, which is watering plants has become a labor-intensive task in the modern world, like utilizing irrigation system basis water. And then farmers have no way to assess the whether the water supply to the plant is too much or not enough. Like the plants manually operated irrigation uses too much because the water it is not contact consistently, and then the population is growing at a quicker rate, and then which is the main cause of the restrictions. So we want to design a smart plant irrigation system which is based on the sensor that measures the oil's moisture level and uses a microcontroller to automatically turn on and off the pump in response to the need of irrigation water. And then our system objective is to design to be compact in size so that it is can utilize inside and with very little parts. Although our project is also made to be portable, it is small in size, like to detect gauge, humidity, and soil moisture, and also to create a autonomous irrigation system that will water your plants automatically and also maintain the health even if we are gone for several weeks or months. So the scope of our system is regarding a potential device that can be regulate the water supply to a facility. Like the moisture sensor in this intelligent irrigation system monitors the soil's moisture content, and it also can detect low level, which is automatically activates the water pump using a microcontroller, which is to irrigate the plant. And then after providing enough water, the earth can begins to absorb the moisture, which can be causes the pump to shut down and on the its own. And then the intelligent watering system is adaptable to changing environmental conditions. And then the device might be so beneficial for the farmers who are struggling to detect to their farms, like the software program that requires to the device is Arduino IDE, which could be perform any running device, and it is very cheaper, and additionally open supply for hardware. The major hardware required within site is the like mission is a soil moisture sensor and a 5V DC water pump.
The next is Project Significant. This project will be a showcase to use the correct soil moisture sensor to help reduce the pain of the monitoring and recording change in soil moisture. So soil provides info about the water status of the soil over of the period of the time. So Arena, it's a collect of the process the data received from the sensor. When the soil moisturizer threshold is reached, so the water is added accordingly. This is the important. This is the because the plant need to have to access the water a specific time in order to obtain a good yields. Next, literature review. We have suggested a GSM-based automatic irrigation system with a promotional potential based on the lecture review analysis. The process effort aims to convert the natural resources that can available to human by continually monitoring the condition of the soil is allow a regulation of water flow to consume the reduction of the waste. Methodology. So methodology, they have state three. The first one is the microcontroller is the soil computing component of the system. A moisture sensor is used by the automatically plant watering system to converse the water. So leaf data are provided through the soil moisturizer sensor. Second is the soil moisturizer sensor microcontroller. The microcontroller receives the sensor data and the 5-way relay module to use a communicator from the gateway of a specific node. Utilizing a cellular network, this data is transmitted for the far of the sites. The third one is the GPRS protocol is used. So the internet access enables data to inspection of the current soil moisturizer and temperature values. This decision making to make it easier by the graphical dimensions. A microcontroller has been programmed by the website using the plant water needs to as a guide. So these are our cost planning equipment. The first one is Arduino Uno, second is moisturizer sensor, third equipment is 5-way reading model, fourth is a 6-way mini water pump with a small pipe, next equipment connecting wires, 5-way batteries and GPRS. So we all quantity is 1, the total is 207 ringgit and 81 cents. So our conclusion of our project is Smart Plant Irrigation System, a system on the base on the soil moisturizer using Arduino. Hope our design can be tested successful. So this can be a great help to farmer as it can be one of the indicators that water demand of the plant are not too high. The system is also managing to monitoring the facilities water using daily. This data can be a beneficially in a converting the water using in facilities and can be used for other purpose. The moisturizer sensor guide to various plants and moisturizer content or moisturizer level. The moisturizer sensor alert the microcontroller if the moisturizer level is below of the acceptable level, which cause the water pump to switch on and feed approval to the plant with water.
Thank you.